In this video, we take a look at the Ultra Grid Scalping EA, created with the no-code platform FXdreema. This expert advisor is designed for scalping with a grid strategy. It focuses on high-frequency entries and exits, aiming to capture short market movements while managing risk with clear rules. Core idea. The EA opens buy and sell trades at grid distances. When the market moves, new positions are added step by step, creating a grid of trades. This system works best in ranging or fluctuating markets, where price moves up and down in short cycles. Trading logic. From the FXdreema structure, the logic works as follows. The EA checks conditions such as candle direction and price movement. If no nearby trade exists, it places a new order. Profits are secured with close money rules, which close trades once the set target is reached. Risk is managed with a cut-loss function that closes all trades if floating loss reaches the defined level. Trade counters and variables keep the system balanced by controlling order numbers and grid spacing. Key settings. The EA parameters include lot size, grid distance, profit target, waiting time between trades, maximum number of orders, and optional cut-loss percentage. These settings can be customized for conservative or aggressive trading styles. Important notes. Grid trading can be effective, but it also carries higher risk in strong trending markets. Always learn and understand the strategy before real trading. Perform backtest with 99.9% tick data. Use strict risk management and avoid over-leverage. Closing the Ultra Grid Scalping EA shows how powerful strategies can be built without coding using FXdreema. If you want to learn more, visit Mqlrobot.com. Subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more EA tutorials and no-code trading systems. Thank you for watching.